Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to redeem Temu rewards. If you have earned rewards on Temu through promotion, referrals or games, and in order to redeem it, firstly open the Temu app on your device. And from here what you need to do is you need to go to your U icon in the bottom right, that is your profile icon, select that. And under this profile page you need to look for a section called rewards or coupons and credits. So over here, as it is not available in this region, and what you need to do is you need to follow the on-screen instruction. The available option may vary depending on a region and current promotion, and after that you need to tap the reward section to view your available rewards. And here you will be able to see any coupons, account credits or referral bonuses or promotional rewards that you have earned, along with the expiration dates and any usage requirements. And when you're ready to make a purchase, you need to add your item to the cart and proceed to checkout. And if your reward is eligible, it may be applied automatically. And that is it. That's how you can redeem Temu rewards. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.